What are some of these factors that's just driving these prices up from these insurance companies?
So more claims because we're having more natural disasters, more climate disasters, right? More floods and wildfires. Insurers pulling out of states, in cases like California, where they had to establish a state-run insurance program that's underfunded and can't even pay for what just happened because that was billions of dollars worth of damage. Higher rebuilding costs because materials are more expensive due to inflation, right? And they're only going to get more expensive due to tariffs, and less coverage on the reinsurance side. So for every insurer, every big insurer, call it an Allstate, a State Farm, anybody that's insuring your home, there's a reinsurance company behind it with tens of billions of dollars that reinsure the insurance companies in case of losses. And there's just been more losses over time. Insurance has become a very difficult business because there's just more risk and the payouts are bigger, and more lawsuits too. More litigation means more time in court for these insurance companies. They got to spend time there. They're going to raise prices. You call your insurance agent and be like, hey, this has gone up X amount over the past 3 or 4 years. Nothing's really changed. And if they're like, sorry, that's just the way it is, you can break up with them if you have a place to go. You got to shop around and make sure that you can get a better deal. But bundling your insurance is not the worst thing in the world either. You could get a better deal sometimes through some insurers if you do the homeowners, the car, and maybe another aspect of your insurance together. They might give you a break because you've bundled it all together and brought the business to them. Ultimately, I think there are so many homeowners right now who have watched their homes destroyed saying, why was I paying those monthly payments? And what was the purpose of that premium if they're not going to cover me? We know that in California alone, I think State Farm said it's facing billions of dollars in claims already in suits, and frankly doesn't have the money to pay them out.